Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So if you want to replace the 3 buttons navigation with the gestures, all you have to do is to enter the settings. Let me go back to this general list. Enter the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to enter the gestures. And here the second option, navigation mode. And of course I've got the gestures set right now, but if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, all you have to do is to tap on this option at the top. Moreover, before we will do it and before I'll explain how the gestures actually work, I just wanted to show you that here you can customize the 3 button navigation if you want to. So for example, mirror the back button and the recents, so just reorder them. And here the settings, you can manage the assistant. Alright, so let's set the gestures. Let's tap on this option, and of course you can see that instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can also customize it here, so you can manage the back sensitivity and set it on lower or higher level. But to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be changed, and you can manage the digital assistant. Alright, so now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. You can see this arrow, so you can release the finger. At the same situation from the left side, it works the same. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion will be quick and short, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, simply repeat the gesture, however elongate it, so hold your finger somewhere here, like that. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.